Photoshop for Beginners Episode 2. In this video, I'm gonna teach you about color changing and spot healing brush tool. These are the images I'm going to use. Open Photoshop. Press Ctrl and O to open an image. Press F7 to get layer panel, then unlock the image layer. We need the Quick Select tool. You can get it easily just pressing W. Select the part of the image that you want to change. Go to Layer Adjustments. Select Hue Saturation. Change the hue and saturation using the mouse to change the color. All set. You can save it pressing Ctrl Shift and S at same time. Okay, now I'm going to edit the second image. Open the image and unlock it from the layer panel. Go to Image Settings, then click Adjustments. Here you can see Hue and Saturation settings. In this settings window, choose the color you want to change. Now click on the image part that you want to change. Now change the hue and saturation carefully. You can change the color of any part of the image using this. Today bonus. I'm going to remove the pimples of this girl just using spot healing brush tool. It's just easy. You can fill or remove any kind of part using this tool. Subscribe and join us. Try something in Photoshop using these tools until the next video.